Hey there, Ronnie with Schaefer's, and today we're going to talk about putting pedestals on Whirlpool front load washers and dryers. So the first thing you want to make sure you do is remove the feet from the washer. Okay, so I've got the washer here. You want to take the feet off of the machine. So for the dryer, you want to lay the dryer back on its back. We typically like to use a dolly if you've got your dolly there, if you've got a couple 4x4 pieces of wood or whatever, but you want to keep it up off the ground. So make sure when you're tipping the unit back that you don't crush the vent duct that you have here. So just make sure you're looking at that. Now that we're tipped back, it's time to put the pedestal to the machine. So as you can see with the feet off, and then we've got the pedestal here. First thing you want to do, it's going to make it a lot easier, is to take the drawers out of the pedestals. It's just 2 screws, drawer comes right out, so that way you can get in and make all the adjustments you need, and even for leveling afterwards, it's good to have the drawer out. So you see on top of the pedestals, you'll see 4 holes, and these 4 holes are keystoned. The easiest way to do the Whirlpool pedestals is to actually take 2 of your pedestal screws and put them in the bottom. You've got 4 holes in the bottom of the machine, and this is the dryer on the same. It's the same on the washer. You got 2 holes here and 2 holes here. So we're just going to start 2 screws into the bottom. And then we can go ahead, line up your holes, line up your keystones with, you see our holes line up. So I'll grab 2 more screws. And then now you can tighten your bottom screws. Now your pedestal's attached. We can go ahead and stand that back up. And if you want to put your drawer back in, line up your brackets, slide it on, and then you should have 2 holes in the side. And then go ahead and push your drawer back in. Now that we're done installing the pedestals on the dryer, it's time to move on to the washer. And the washer is pretty similar. It's the same, using the same 4 screws, but there's some more holes on the bottom. And so basically, you want to tip your machine back, okay? And as you can see on the bottom, you have a set of 2 holes here, a set of 2 holes here, and here. So which ones do you attach to? Well, the first thing you want to do is just grab your pedestal that has the drawer out. And you know that you want, once the drawer's in, you want the fronts to line up. So just hold up your pedestal to line up with the front. So there I see my fronts are lined up. And so I look, okay, it's going to be my top 2 holes. And then you just look down and see which set of holes lines up with the pedestal. And I can see those 2 holes are here. So just like on the dryer, put your screws in your bottom 2 holes. Now grab my pedestal, drop the pedestal in those 2 screws, and now we just put the top screw in. Tighten it, and then we can now tighten our bottom 2 screws. We can put our drawer back in, and we're good to go. And that completes the installation of Whirlpool laundry pedestals.